Heart is present almost at center in thoracic cage. It is present behind the ribs, between the two lungs, and is slightly inclined on the left side. Size of our heart is equal to one's own fist and weighs about 360 grams. It is covered by a double-layered peritoneal membrane. A fluid is present between the two membranes, due to which heart is protected from friction and mechanical shocks. Human heart is a muscular organ. It is made up of involuntary cardiac muscles. These muscles contract and relax with a definite rhythm. This is called beating of heart. Internally, heart is divided into left and right compartments by a vertical partition. Each of these components are further divided into two chambers. Thus, in all, human heart consists of 4 chambers. Upper chambers are called atria, singular, atrium, and lower chambers are called ventricles. We all know that heart is called the blood pumping organ. Come, let us study about circulation of blood that occurs inside the heart. The process of pumping blood towards various parts of the body and bringing it back towards the heart is called blood circulation. So as to maintain the continuity in circulation, heart alternately contracts and relaxes. The right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from different parts of the body through superior and inferior vena cava. This deoxygenated blood is pumped into the right ventricle. The opening between the right atrium and the right ventricle is guarded by a tricuspid valve. This valve separates the two chambers, thereby avoiding mixing of blood. It also allows the deoxygenated blood to flow only in one direction. From the upper part of the right ventricle, the pulmonary artery arises. This pulmonary artery carries deoxygenated blood to the lungs. The left atrium has 4 openings of pulmonary veins. The oxygenated blood from the lungs is brought into the left atrium through the pulmonary veins. This oxygenated blood is pumped into the left ventricle from the left atrium. The opening between the left atrium and the left ventricle is guarded by mitral valve, also known as bicuspid valve. A main artery or the aorta arises from the upper inner part of the left ventricle. Aorta carries oxygenated blood which is distributed to all parts of our bodies. This continuous flow of blood throughout the heart is possible due to continuous contraction and relaxation of cardiac muscles present in the heart. Consecutive single contraction and relaxation of heart constitutes a